Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bully. Today I am going to show you guys how to add or accept a cryptocurrency payment to your WooCommerce store using a free WordPress plugin that is called Coinbase Commerce. So you could get paid with cryptocurrencies when you sell your products online too. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency and a form of payments that you could use to buy goods and services. Many companies have also issued their own cryptocurrencies. Mostly they are called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for the good or service that the company provides. Plus, you'll need to use the real currency to buy the cryptocurrency to buy goods and services. Additionally, cryptocurrencies use a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manage and record online transactions securely. Before we get started, I want to welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support and I appreciate you all. But for those who are brand new to my channel, my name is Bully. I create tutorials about e-commerce web designs focusing on user experience using WordPress. Alright, with that being said, let's jump to my computer. Alright, let's go to our demo store. This is the dashboard of our demo store. And then scroll down a little bit to click on plugins. Click add new on the top. Go to the search box, type in Coinbase Commerce. And that's the plugin is called Coinbase Commerce Payment Gateway for WooCommerce by Coinbase Commerce. Click the install now. And then click activate after it's done installing. This plugin will take only 1% of each transaction as a network fee or something like that. It's the cheapest fee among other plugins that you could use. And then don't forget to enable the auto updates. Next, go to WooCommerce settings, click the Payments tab, go to Coinbase, right-click on the Coinbase Commerce link to open up an account with them if you don't have an account yet. If you do, you could skip to the next step. Click the Get Started button on the top right. Right here, enter your email in that box, and then enter your password below. Don't forget to select or check the box for I agree to the terms of service and acknowledge the privacy policy. Click the Create Account button to reveal the Not Robot verification. Click the check box that you're not the robot. Click the Create Account button again to go to the next step. You'll get an email to verify the account with them, and then you'll be back at the dashboard to go through some steps to set up an account with them. Click the Continue button right here to go to the next step since you already finished verifying the email account with them. You need to enter the 6-digit code here for the 2-step verification. But before you could do that, you need to go to your smartphone to download an app called Google Authenticator. Yep, that's the app. And then tap the Get. This is an iPhone. And then once you set it up, go to the app and then tap the scan a QR code and hold your phone pointing the camera at the QR code in the Coinbase dashboard. It will give you the code. Enter the code to the box right there. Once it looks good, and then click the confirm to go to the next step. Next, click Download Backup Codes to save the file on your local computer. You will need this if you lose access to your 2-step verification device. You could use your recovery codes to log in to your account. Then click Continue to set up your crypto wallet with them. Click Show My Seed Phrase right there. And then click the box that says, I understand that if I lose my seed phrase, I'll lose the crypto in my wallet. As you can see, all the seed phrases are on your right in that box. You need to highlight to copy them and save them in a file on your local computer safely, because they are going to test you again after this step. Just to make sure that you really pay attention and really save your phrases safely somewhere. Now it's time for testing. You're gonna need to type each phrase in the box right here, one by one, until you get them right. Once everything looks good, just click the Verify Seed Phrase button on your left. You will need to use these phrases a lot to transfer your cryptocurrencies from Coinbase Commerce to your Coinbase account or some other cold wallets or some other addresses that you have with other crypto exchange providers like Gemini, BlockFi, and so on. Next is for backing up your crypto wallet. Just skip this step if you don't trust Google Drive, and I don't. But always make sure to transfer your cryptocurrencies to your cold wallet as soon as possible. I'm not gonna cover this in my tutorial because my channel is not all about cryptocurrencies. And you're all set. Click the Go to the Dashboard button next. And this is your dashboard in your Coinbase Commerce account. Alright, let's go back to the demo store to finish setting up the Coinbase Commerce payment gateway. Click the Manage button on your right. These are the settings. The first box is for title. You could change whatever you want. The next box is for description. You could modify whatever you want. Just click in the box. And the next box is for API key. We will get this key later on after we're done with this. And the next box is for Webhook shared secret. We are going to create this secret key later on too in the Coinbase Commerce dashboard. The next one is show icon. Just keep it checked. Once everything looks good, just click Save Changes button at the bottom. And let's go to the Coinbase Commerce dashboard. We're gonna create an API key for this box. Okay, click Settings at the bottom of the left panel. Select your local currency and preferred email language. Scroll down to the branding section. Add your business name right here and click the Save button on the right. This section is a banner that will be on top of the Coinbase Commerce. Upload your logo and change the color of your banner right here. Scroll down a little bit to the flexible payment section. Leave this section as the default settings. I wouldn't worry about this. If you want to, you could play around with all these thresholds. And the next section is for withdrawals. You need to add your Coinbase account to Coinbase Commerce right here. In this tutorial, I'm not gonna go over how to sign up for a Coinbase account, assuming you already have a Coinbase account. If not, you could sign it up for free. And once you enter everything, just click the button and then you will go to the next section, which you have to enter the security code. This is a two-step verification. And then enter your code right here. Once everything looks good, just click the Verify button. And next, you need to check your inbox to verify your device, whatever you log into. In this case, I log into my new computer, so I need to verify that. And once everything looks good, you'll be redirected back to the dashboard under the settings. Next, click Create an API key in the API Key section. Then click Reveal to show the key and copy it by clicking the copy icon right next to it. Let's go back to the demo store to paste the API key in its box and save it by clicking Save Changes at the bottom. Then copy your endpoint URL link below the Webhook shared secret box and go back to the Coinbase Commerce settings. Click Add an endpoint in the Webhook subscription section. Paste your endpoint link in the box right here and click Save. And we need to click Details to make sure that all events are turned on. We want to receive all the events. And then click Save. Next, click Show Shared Secret and click the icon to copy the secret key right here. And let's go back to the payment settings and paste it in the share secret box right there and click Save Changes to save everything. Alright, we're gonna test this. So make sure you connect your Coinbase Commerce account with your Coinbase account in the withdrawal section right here. But first off, just click the payments on the left panel real quick. I just wanted to show you that right now we have no payments coming in at all. So let's go to the front end of the demo store to buy a product. Alright, I added a hoodie in my shopping cart and let's add a coupon right here so that I don't have to pay that much. Let's see how much do I have to pay in total. Oh, I have to pay only $2.13. That's not bad at all to use my own coupon for this test. Once everything looks good, just click Proceed to check out. Alright, this is the checkout page. As you could see, cryptocurrency payment is added as another option to pay for your product. Once everything looks good on this page, just click the Proceed to Coinbase button at the bottom. As you can see, this page is in Coinbase Commerce website. The total is $2.13. You could see that banner on the top that you customized earlier. It's right up there. My logo is bad. It should have been the icon instead with the size of 120 pixels by 120 pixels, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Make sure you play around with the banner until it goes with your branding. On the right side, you could select any cryptocurrencies or just click the Pay with Coinbase button on the top. Mostly the exchange rate will expire within a second. And then there should be a pop-up box for you to sign into your Coinbase account. I have only Dogecoin wallets in my Coinbase account, so I'm gonna use Dogecoin to pay for this as an example. And it looks like they're gonna collect the network fee for 35 cents right here. But we're not gonna know the exact amount for sure until we receive a finalized email from Coinbase. So once everything looks good, just click the Send Now button at the bottom. And now you will get a security code on your mobile phone that you could add right here. It's for the two-step verification code. Enter the code here and then it will redirect you back to the order summary page without pressing anything. And then you could click the View Receipt button to go back to your account as a customer in my demo store or your online store that you just bought a product from. And this is the receipt. Let's go back to the Coinbase Commerce account real quick. As the store owner, let's see how much we're gonna get. Go back to the Coinbase Commerce account, refresh the page in the Balances tab. We have the message that says unconfirmed payments under Dogecoin. As you could see on the screen right here, And then give it a couple minutes and refresh the page again. Then you should see the available balance on the top as $2.12. Coinbase Commerce takes 1% for each transaction. Alright, let's withdraw this fund. To put it in our Coinbase account, click withdraw on the right. There are some options here that you could do. In the first section, you could convert your coin to USD coin or US dollars. But as for the second section, you could send your crypto to your wallet or any exchange of your choice. In this case, I am going to send it back to my Coinbase account. So let's select this option right here. There are two withdrawal destinations, which are Coinbase and external address. The external address is for your cold wallet or other exchange providers like Gemini, BlockFi, and so many more. I'm gonna click on Coinbase because what I intend to do here to put my crypto back into my Coinbase account, and that is the amount that I will get for $1.80. It looks like the total fee is about 31 cents right now. That's the estimated proceeds. We're gonna know the exact amount in another hour for sure via our email. Once everything looks good, just click withdraw all at the bottom. And next, you need to enter your seed phrases right here. Remember the seed phrases that you saved on your local computer earlier? You need to enter each of them in this box correctly. Otherwise, it's not gonna let you send your cryptocurrencies to Coinbase. Once everything looks correct, just click the continue button at the bottom. Then click the close button to go back to the balances page on Coinbase Commerce. You should see a message box at the bottom of the page about the withdrawal information. Right now, it is still pending. You should also receive an email from Coinbase Commerce within a minute to confirm the withdrawal. It looks like the sent amount is $1.82 and the network fee is 31 cents. And then in another hour, you should receive an email from Coinbase to confirm the final amount, that is $2.12, and the network fee is 35 cents from our testing. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. That's all for today's tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about using the Coinbase Commerce plugin to add or accept a cryptocurrency payment in your online store, and would love to share it with our community. I would love to hear from you guys a lot. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads about e-commerce web designs from me. If you guys find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. If you guys want to support my channel, I add all the links in the description box below for you guys to check out. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, thank you for being here to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. You guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.